Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to use the researcher agent in Copilot so you can get started with it. The researcher agent is your intelligent assistant in Microsoft 365 Copilot built to tackle complex multi-step research and deliver a structured source-cited report. Think of it as a supercharged research partner that helps you gather, analyze, and summarize information from the web and at work from files, emails, meetings, and chat you have access to. Researcher makes it easier to get through answers and make decisions faster. So, what's the difference here between the researcher and the standard Copilot? Well, the researcher is designed to go deeper reasoning of your task, and it excels at tackling complex layered tasks that require thoughtful analysis. By taking longer processing time, researcher delivers more comprehensive output, making it ideal for detailed research projects. The standard Copilot experience helps with a broad range of everyday tasks across Microsoft 365. It's optimized for speed and efficiency. It's great for quicker tasks like summarizing email or drafting short replies. Here's when you want to use each one of them. So the researcher would like it to do in case you were going for citations and well-structured report with headings and visuals, and for doing depth research across multiple resources like web and your work to get a report you can share. Now, how or why or where to find a researcher? Simply in your new chat, simply go to Copilot, click on new chat, and literally you will find that right in there. So sign in, you can find researcher under agents within your agents guys. So as you can see, so new chat here and researcher is right here. So you literally can click on researcher and ask a question, start typing topic or question, clarify what it work and get a report. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys next upcoming video.